Hello, this is Daniel and welcome to another video on the AutoFlex Connect. Today I am going to be showing you the hardware in an AutoFlex Connect 1 big box. So here you can see I've got a unit connected on my desk and I will open it up and give you a quick overview of the different pieces of hardware. On the back of the display here we've got the communication controller, this green board here with the Connect label. And under normal operation, you can see L1 should be flashing and L2 should be off. Next, below that, we have the battery backup / power supply board, this blue board with a fan on it. And this one makes sure that our single board computer always has the power that it needs. That L6 LED is red, that one is on. And this L7 LED is also red. That one is also on whenever the controller is on. And then down here I see L4, a red LED is on, which tells me that that battery is currently charging. Below this we have the single board computer, that's the brains of the operation. Plugged into it we have our OS USB with the warning label on it, and then the Phason USB. Then we also have our touch controller USB cord plugged in there as well. Moving up, we have an HDMI cord plugged in from that single board computer to our display driver board. And then we also have power running to that display driver board. And sometimes that's going to be soldered in underneath. Some of them have the barrel plugs like this one. Running from this display driver board, that one right there, we've got a couple of cables that come off of that right there, and it will plug into the display in one of those two positions, either on the left or more in the middle. And so those are connections that you may have to double check if you're having issues with your screen. Up at the top here, we've got our touch controller. And that also makes sure that any touches that you make on the display, that signal is sent to the computer. Moving on to the backboard, we've got our power switch here and our 12-volt DC terminal. And then I will move down to the bottom. And here we have our AC to DC power supply, which takes the incoming AC line voltage and switches it over to 12 volts DC. Then we've got our L2 and L3 LEDs. These guys are on and flashing, showing communications. They're flashing so fast it looks like they're just straight on. And then this terminal, normally we would have a do not use label over top of it. This is a bit of an older unit, so I don't have one on there. But if you're plugging in an expansion box, this jack on the communication controller is where you want to plug in. Yep, so that is the AutoFlex Connect 1 big box and the different pieces of hardware. I will see you guys in the next video.